diaries abantu abaningi bacabanga ukuthi ngikhuluma ngesimo sakho.
Wokhuluma ngaso phela.
No.
No, wokhuluma ngaso. Mthombeni don't. Wokhuluma ngaso mfowethu and
okay.
Yazi why ngithi wokhuluma ngaso?
Yeah.
Ngoba ukhuluma ngaso kumina emehlweni.
Okay.
So lokho ama diaries sekuwukuthi.
Okay.
Off camera.
Okay.
Sikhulume ngako wakusho ukuthi
okay mzilikazi.
Lento engicathi ngiyayicontributor yilutho versus into ekufuze efunwa wena ongayitholile. You are tired of waiting. Vele he said it emehlweni nami ukuthi he is tired of waiting. Why am I not conceiving naturally? Esho manje lelanga engisagcina ngalokukhuluma ngathi ngiyakwazi ukulala kwami wesho lawo maso ngisukuma ngithi sengicela uhambe. It's because wathi ukhathele ukulinda. He's been waiting for over 5 years emele ukuthi ngikhulelwe natural. Kusho umuntu owazi ukuthi ngakhatha ama troops oku watshela mina emehlweni wathi manje uzongitshela indaba yokuthi kufanele ngenzeni ngabantu ngenzile iphutha mina ngibe ngixolile umuntu wami ozalayo.
Now, prior to this, we learned that Makhumalo and Musa had not seen each other for something a little over 5 months, right? And he had not been to a place which he had said to her face that he deliberately chose not to go.
Wena lo muzo uthengile asifakanga contribution thina.
Khangizithengelini.
Now the viral clip we just watched, I don't see their relationship healing completely after this. I don't see them coming back from this. Even if Makhumalo can choose to maybe forgive him, the belittling things that he had said on national TV and to her face about her fertility will always linger. Also, Musa, when we're being honest, he really doesn't care about Makhumalo because as someone who knows what she's been through to the point of her tubes being cut off, why would he then go on and say she failed?
Asinikeza kona ukuthi siphile ungakubuka njalo. Kubuke ekuhlulekeni kwakhe ukusinikeza something yokugcina yokuvikela lo muzi lento esamlethela yona la because asemlethelanga lento le ayenza lento ayenzayo you by the way into esamlethela yona ile engakwazi ukuyenza.
And that he's tired of waiting for her to fall pregnant. He's been waiting for over 5 years and then continue on top of that to tell her she shouldn't tell him what to do as he has found someone who will bear him kids. What husband in their right mind says that knowing what she's been through? On the bright side, I liked how she didn't back down when he was obviously trying to gaslight her. Viewers of the show also after watching this scene are like, I really don't want them to be fine, hey? Makhumalo needs to stand up ASAP because this is emotional abuse. And another one went on to say, maybe I'm Delulu, but I don't want them to be fine. Makhumalo deserves better. Usile lo baba. Anyway, let's continue in the comment section. Also remember to subscribe, like, share. Until next time, bye and thank you for watching.